Lovely evening to all these fantastic personalities present here. My name is Salim, Keyboard Center Squad of India. I'm feeling so glad for being this prestigious stage for talking about my level with the education. Professionally, I'm dedicated here and working with one of the Fortune 100 companies. I would say it's more than 8 years of experience. Before teaching background and working in corporate sector and working on alternative for the strong lands. Yeah, and numbers of after top lands is all are considered capable and the always people these other with it. I was also part of the same lifestyle habit. But the time came in my life where I took my stand and changed my way to the next level. In 2018, I was diagnosed with Hilton in which his use faced the difficulty while passing the exam. I went to the doctor, and the doctor was diagnosing me and giving some treatment. But I was not getting anything. So I keep telling my doctors, but there was no use. Because every doctor was saying, once a teacher, always a teacher, and you have your dilatation for entire life. And now, even also, there are people with the similar symptoms and disease. They are doing this kind of dilatation for every month and month. But in this period, the system was worse. And one day, they were not able to pass. That on that day, my son took me to the hospital. Doctor, the computer was hospital. And after 4 5 hours, when I went to the doctor, doctor told me, if I would have been late, but 15 minutes, I would have been extremely injured on that day. So the entire bladder would have been outside, and entire body would have spread his body on that day. I decided, and I realized our health is our real health. And from that day, I started learning about the biggest industry of yours, and that is the human body. I started learning about human anatomy, nutrition, and everything. Now, in more than years, I have worked with any kind of diet, and I'm completely satisfied with help of good lifestyle habits, naturopathy, and myself. Earlier, my hair was 40 to 50% hair was white. Now it's more than 54 years. I have not any kind of dye or anything. And it's ultimately turned into black. Earlier, I was obese. I was close to 69 kg. And now I'm 56 with full of energy and muscles. So this is the power of writer. The power of vegetable. Now, in January 24, I came across the ad of Go Nature and I just registered myself on Kenya. I saved it and brought it from Zimbabwe. And then I attended my first workout. I paid off second day. It was like OMG. ऐसा भी होता है the confidence was double. And on that day, I was feeling proud of myself that I did not fail with the elephant treatment. Otherwise, I would have achieved two directions for one time. I thought my systems and my head would have been worse. So now I am having this gold member and now I'm eagerly waiting for the diabetes law because I know value I can gain, the information and knowledge I will gain, wisdom I will get out of it. Now, it's more than 200 months, I'm connected with the nature and my acidity has been gone, my muscle has been gone, and my body concentration has been reduced. Now, talking about my progress, is getting important. And entire everything like diet, nutrition, all the therapies, and so much. Not only about diet and nutrition, but also she always keeps me motivated for and whatever problem I face in day-to-day life, she takes care of this. And last but not the least, the dynamic and energetic possibility. The man who ran away from the hospital on the day of his operation and suddenly reversed that disease with that of naturopathy. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for one and only Vishal Seni. You are the one who does the whole compare and review about the naturopathy. You are the one who is reading despite and thousand and other of places by reversing their condition. You are the one who is taking the views and attitude of the generation toward the health and fitness. You are the one because of I can see my future in the field I want to be. So, it's up to you for the work you are doing in the field of naturopathy and keep guiding, motivating, educating us. And I assure you, one day the theme of nature will rule not only India but the entire world in the field of naturopathy. That's my promise. So at the end of that, I would really like to say that educating, encouraging, and empowering the youth people in India, we can create a happier system, not only for us, but for the society as a whole and for the generation to came. So I'm sure that university is having lots of power, both on the principle of naturopathy and the things that you will do. So thank you so much to the entire team for giving for giving for my delivery in the naturopathy. Thank you so much to the Senapati of the Nomination, Jyotima, for taking the entire effort for prepare the test. And thank you so much. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Maybe people like us in India actually really so intelligent. Yes. Expressing what we promise to do. Yeah, what is nutrition? Right? Just wait, I just want to do this, I will get you for that. Right? So really proud of you, Akash. Thank you so much for the thing. Right? This is a long photo. Yes, it's sure. Just young age, 29, 30 years of age, huh? So age is just a number, but at this age when people, are confused in the entertaining lives and careers, you have made that balance, even to government government. Yeah. Right? And he's making his career towards nutrition and giving people like him. So please give one more round of applause. Thank you.